So I use TestOut as for the labs to augment the classes, and so the students can get a hands-on experience because physically I can't bring all that equipment to the classroom. So the lab sim is fantastic for that.
I love the labs. The labs are done really, really well. Real world scenarios, real world reactions to when you do something wrong or do something right. And then that feedback is wonderful. You know, it's a great tool for a teacher because it'd be really hard to build all that out, right? Especially if you're teaching multiple types of lessons. Like,
we were trying to build an online program, and it's very hard to teach an A-plus class without hands-on experience, and TestOut provides awesome simulations to be able to teach all these courses online.
I particularly like being able to have the students do the labs and work through practice questions at home. And then when they come into the classroom, then, the labs that they had the most difficulty on, it's then done as a group. So they have access to all the information and can continue to just redo labs and redo practice questions until they get it right.
My students, when it's an online environment, it's very difficult to be able to run an online class and be able to give them the labs, exams, and be able to grade it, because you can set it all up and have a step-by-step process, and you hope they're going to get it and you hope they have the environment. But if you don't have the environment to give them, what are they going to get? You can say, well, why don't you go and download a virtualized environment, and why don't you install this virtualized operating system that we're going to give you, and then at the end of the day, we're going to hope it works. But with TestOut, it's all there, right there for you. And not only is it there for you, it grades it for you. And so you know exactly what they did, exactly what they had, and when they're done, you have exactly what you wanted.